Hey, welcome back to Drumbits. So today I want to talk a little bit about uh, playing basic, but moving the right hand, or if you're a left hand lead, if you're a lefty player, moving the left hand around the drum set, uh, being in the different positions, but playing the same thing. Here's an example. One, two, three, oh. Okay. Played the same exact groove. I just kept moving my right hand around to different parts of the drum set. You might have a really big drum set and you could go on forever. But anyway, the point is, it changes your balance when you're sitting behind the kit because you're in a different position. And just because you can play it here doesn't mean it's going to be easy for you to play it here or up on a crash over here or on a crash over here. Um, so you should try that to help your balance on the drum set when you're playing in different positions. Okay? Try it. See what happens. Hey everybody, thanks for watching these videos. I appreciate it. If you have any questions or ideas or things you might want to learn that I haven't put up yet, leave me a comment below and I can hopefully help you out with it. Okay? Don't forget to visit my website, peteabdou.com. Leave me your email address so I can send you updates on cool stuff that I'm doing or cool stuff that is available for you. Again, peteabdou.com. There's an email sign up right on the front page. Thanks for watching. See you soon.